Chefs often express their creativity through taste and visual presentation, yet sound, a powerful sensory aspect, has been largely overlooked in culinary practice. Inspired by how the acoustic signal varies with our interaction with food, and its changing properties, we placed magnetic piezo sensors beneath dining containers to capture these signals and develop GastroConcerto. This is an auditory dining system that brings sound into culinary expression. Chefs can record interactions, assign sounds, and design their own sonic dishes. When diners interact with the dish, the system responds instantly with sound, enriching their sensory experience. GastroConcerto leverages auditory interaction to foster chefs' culinary creativity while empowering them to integrate sonic dish creation into their daily culinary practices.